Hi, my name is Janice from AnchorBiz IT. Today I'm going to show you how to create a table of content in WordPress using Elementor. So I'm now actually showing you one of my articles in my website, anchorbizit.com. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you need to go to your post or page and open up your post or page using Elementor. You're using Elementor to create your content. So for this section over here, I'm going to put the columns in this section. Okay, so I need to actually click on this column. It's actually one column, right? I need to actually add a new column. Okay, and then this section, you notice that the size is actually split into half. I'm going to change it to be the right side bar, make it a bit more space for the left side. So click on the section here. And then under the structure, click on this. Okay, right side. If you want left side, you click on this. So left side. Things like that. Then you can actually adjust accordingly. Okay, things like that. All right side. Okay, right side. You can also adjust accordingly. Your sidebar. Right side. Okay. So okay, I'm going to select this column, and then in Elementor, there's actually a table of content. Okay, just click on this and then drag it in. Ultimately, all the table list of contents will be auto-generated, so you don't have to manually type it. This is actually based on the headers section. So, and yeah, the anchors by text as well, header 4, header, all these things. Okay, right. So basically, this is how to create a table of content, and yeah, but the table of content over here. So you notice that it's actually at the top. How do I make it to be scrolling down and sticky? So at the advanced section over here and at your left side, go to motion effects, turn on the scrolling effects, and turn on sticky at the top, and then update. Okay, you notice when I scroll down, table of content is scrolling as well. Okay, scrolling as well. Right, scrolling as well. So this is how you create a table of content for a section. But remember that this is actually in one section. It will actually overlap to another section. If, for example, now, right, because I have created another section, it will overlap. So yeah, basically there's some problems on that. Unless you create the whole article in one section, then it should be all right. So you can actually say you want to fix it in the column itself. Okay, fix it in the column itself. You can actually say it to be viewpoint or entire page. Right. Sticky top. Stay in column, this one. Okay, then you will stay throughout this column without going down. Okay, stay throughout this column without going down. Okay. That's how it goes. Okay. So I hope you'll find it useful. Another thing I want to teach you is you notice this table of content? Okay, let's go back. The content type, right? It's actually numbers. If you don't want numbers, you can actually be in bullets. bullets. You will change it to bullets. And then you don't like this icon, you can actually choose all icons and then search. Select phone icons and other icons. So for example, you can see the various icons here and then select accordingly. Like arrow icon and things like that, arrow icons. So you can just type arrow. It will list all the arrow icons. So for example, I choose this, and then it will automatically change it to this arrow icon. Okay. Yeah. So basically, that's how to create table of contents, and make sure you update after you make your changes, and that's it. This is how to create table of contents. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you like to attend my classes, I do teach as well on digital marketing and websites and WordPress and all these things. You can visit my websites and contact me, or you can actually visit my website and contact me. Okay, you can go to the shop section and view all the various courses as well, and digital marketing courses, e-commerce courses, or if you need any consulting services, things like that, digital marketing or yeah, business consulting services and all that, do contact me. Okay, at anchorbizit.com. Thanks for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel and share with others as well. Bye.